Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha. I want to bring you, as I do weekly, the advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis. If you are the first time you are watching my video, subscribe, like, and share. And more importantly, I cover cryptos, stocks, commodities, indices, currency pairs. I also teach. If you want to learn how to do technical analysis, Elliott Wave and others, you can contact me for mentorship. Then we have links. When you come to my YouTube channel, you can see my last video. We have links. All you do is when you come here, this is show less. Once you click, when you open my video, once you click show more, you will get links from everything you need about my channel. This is my Telegram channel, free links for Telegram, WhatsApp, 2 channels is for Telegram. They are all free. You can see my mobile number, my YouTube channel, all of them, Instagram channel, my Twitter channel links. I mean, my TikTok links, my LinkedIn links. If you want to open crypto accounts, you can see my Binance link. You can see my KuCoin links, many of them. You can see my KuCoin links. All of them, KuCoin, CoinEx, Okex, and the rest of them. Mostly, if you're watching my video and you don't want to watch everything, my videos are segmented. You can see DXY, EURUSD, USDCAD, USDCHF, Pounds USD, AUDUSD, NZDUSD. They are all segmented. If you click on any one, if you just jump to the section, like this is gold, you can click gold and it will just take you to gold. So that's how I do it, so that you don't take your time to watch all, in case if you don't need all. I also do separate the video for cryptos. Okay, having said this, remember to subscribe, join, answer questions, make comments. Join my Telegram channel. They are all free. You can only pay little money if you need mentorship. Thank you for watching. Enjoy yourself. Let's get to business. Let's get to business. Okay, DXY. DXY. What do we have on DXY? Last week, this was my forecast that we are going up. Right now, nothing has changed. We are still going up as long as DXY is concerned. So this can be wave 1, wave 2, then and so on. So we are still going up. Okay. I will only stop looking for I only stop looking for sell if price goes below this level. Then I will think twice. But for now, this is wave 4. We are getting 5 waves up to complete the 50th wave, which might be ultimately the end of bullish move. Then we go down. Remember, we can come as high as 120, 119. So we follow it as it develops. Okay. So that's for DXY. That's for DXY. So let's go to EURUSD. USD, what do we have there? We know that DSY is always opposite of USD. So you can see we are going down. So this is likely with one of the last bearish move. So we are going as low as possible. We might even go below 0.9. So for now, let's focus on this current move. So I don't have any reason to buy USD. So let's move. USDCAD. What do we have here? We are buying. USDCAD is going up. Okay, you see going up. Remember what we have here on daily and weekly. We are approaching a reversal level on daily and weekly. But for now, let's focus on hourly time frame. So what we have here is wave 4 from down, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 is developing. You can see wave 1, wave 2. Then this is another wave 1, wave 2. Wave 3, the next wave 3 target is 1.43 area. Then as it goes. So for now, I don't see anything to sell USDCAD. I can only buy USDCHF, USDCHF is making a complex structure, but judging from weekly, daily and weekly charts, daily chart, okay, let me show you weekly. Weekly suggests that the chart, the price will very soon finish. Okay, you can see we having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are buying, but let's not so much relax on buying because price can change anytime. Why am I showing you this? We are getting an ending diagonal, expanding ending diagonal is what we're getting here. After this, we have 3, we have 4, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once we have 5 completes, we might get a sharp sell-off. So once we have 5 completes, we will get a sharp sell-off. So, and the target of wave 5 is near 1.007, 1.001, 1.012. I mean, the buying is no longer much. Okay, so after the buying is over, if you don't know how to spot a sell signal, setup around here, then what you're gonna do is for you to wait. When price close below here, you sell. But waiting for the price to close below here, many hundreds of pips is gone. That's why it's important you learn how to count wave, how to do much of these things so that you'll be able to spot sell setup at the terminal or reversal zone. Here is the reversal zone. Sell setup will occur in this zone. So if you can't spot it, you wait for price to go below this level. And I must tell you, for you to know it, you need to join our class. What we do here is that we make analysis. We don't teach. So of course you'll be learning things while watching the analysis, but for you to know how to do it, enroll in our class. Thank you. Pounds USD. Pounds USD, we are selling. When price was going up, I said if price goes above this level, then I will no longer look for sell. But since price will not go above this level, I'm still looking for sell because the higher time frame is yet to complete the selling. Okay, so I see this I see this as wave 1, wave 2, then likely we are going lower. You know, now price of dollar is higher than price of euro. So maybe in no distance time, the price of dollar can also be higher than the price of pounds. So now if this price continues to go down, if price continues to go down, then definitely if price close below this level, then this selling will likely continue to go down, and we must get parity or even below parity. But right now, the chances of price going up is still there. Okay, and the price goes below this level, and from what I'm seeing, we likely get price below this level. Okay, let's watch as the market unfolds. Then one thing again is that it is nearly impossible for that to be going down, and USD will be going up. So those pairs go the same direction. So if dollar, if USD is going down, definitely USD will also go down. So that's why it is possible that we are going to see parity on pounds and dollar. Okay, let's go. Let's continue. AUDUSD, what do we have? Can we see daily? The price is still going down. Let's go to 4 hours to save our time. The price is still going down. You can see the next move, we will likely get to even 0.58, 0.6. So we are going down. We focus on selling. We focus on selling. There's one thing you bear in mind. Elliott Wave analysis is we count waves based on sequence and structures. So any structure can end a cycle. Any structure can end a cycle. I don't know how to explain to you, but bear in mind we are still going down, and any structure can cut short. But right now on this one, I haven't seen anything that make it to cut short anyway. So we focus on selling. Same goes to New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD is still going down. So where is our next target? Is 0.53, 0.53, 0.52, even below. So the selling is not yet over. JP225. JP225, do I show you bigger time frame daily? And I would be showing you daily every week. So now this is wave 1, wave 2 of higher time frame. Wave 3, wave 4. Then wave 5 is going down on 5 waves. Like 1, 2, we are looking for 3, 4, 5. So let me go back to 4 hours. So this is what we are looking for on JP225. This is wave 1, this is wave 2. Wave 3 will likely drop to at least 24,630 zone or 24,000 zone. After that, we get wave 4 and 5. So definitely we are looking for something like this to happen. This is the type of structure we are looking for. Something like this will likely happen. So be ready for that. More dropping are coming. Now, if you don't have any open trade, I will recommend this. I will recommend this because the risk reward ratio is high. But okay, let me now go down to 1 hour to tell you how you can trade this. You know, this is wave one already. I don't like entering a trade when it have left the reversal zone and traveled much. But in this case, anyway, I will update this on Telegram channel. Someone should remind me if you haven't entered around here, you have to wait. When we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we look for an A, B, C. Then you can now enter. Just remind me to update you. This is what we are looking for. If you have entered around this area, then this will be the next entry level when this happens. Okay. So let's move EURJPY. EURJPY. What are we looking for? What are we expecting? The pair is making what we call expanding ending diagonal. Expanding ending diagonal. So we expect the price to go at least above wave 3. So, but the truth is that we expect the price to go around 150 and above. We expect the price to go above 150 and above. Likely 151, 154, or even higher. But for now, let's focus on how to trade the current move. So let's take 4 hours. On 4 hours, there's no entry. The entry has happened around here. So now no entry. 1 hour, anything, and 1 hour again, no entry. The markets have left a buying zone. All this place is our buying zone. All this place is our buying zone. Markets have left the buying zone. So I don't advise to jump in. If you don't enter at the reversal zone, says the top, it is jumping in, and jumping in, you can enjoy your account balance. So maybe if you join my Telegram channel, if I see another entry opportunity, I will update. Then if you are there, almost whatever I said during analysis, try to remind me so that I will always check. Because if you don't remind me, I may not remember to check it again. Okay, so let's move. USDJPY. USDJPY. What do we have? Let's go to 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours. The wave count is clear. Counting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 3, ABC, wave 4. Wave 5 is developing. Though it's going up slowly, but it's getting our target. This is wave 1 of 5, wave 2 of 5, 3 of 5, 4 of 5 will happen here. Then we get 5 of 5 somewhere higher. So what are we targeting? 150, 152, 154, and so on. So the price is still going higher and higher. No reversal in sight. I didn't change the reversal target. Okay. On daily, our target is within here, 152, 155. Between 152 and 163 is our reversal zone. So price haven't entered the reversal zone. Okay, so let's look for buy. Pounds JPY. What do we have? Let me go to weekly. Pounds JPY structure is a very confusing one. Remember, I told you we are expecting this type of move. So the question is, when will it happen? Now, when this happened, when this sharp drop happened, you know, I was thinking we get when this sharp drop happened, I was thinking we will get something like this, so that this will be wave 1, wave 2, and so on. But it went back with the same speed it went down. Okay, so in this case, when a market begins to behave like this, you need to take precaution. You need to be cautious so that you don't lose in trade. When a trade is not clear, you leave it and go to other trades. Now, from my experience, the possibility of the market going down from here is there, because this can be wave 1, this will be wave 2 of a higher degree. Then this one again is wave 1. This again is wave 2, as long as it haven't closed above this level. Once it closed above this level and this level, then I will now know that what happened here is an expanding flat. You know, yeah, let me leave it on the day of lecture. For now, let's go to our analysis. So now, what do we have on pounds USD? If you want to trade pounds USD, watch out for a move towards this zone, a drop towards 164.8 and 164.2. Then look for buy setup, and when the buy occurs, then I target 168, 168,500. Then we watch out what happens again. Okay. Let's go to gold. Remember gold. I always go to the weekly chart to remind you that gold is approaching, is already in the reversal zone, not approaching. Gold is already in the reversal zone. So why am I showing you this? The market can make a very sharp move, and you'll be asking what's happened. Market is at reversal zone already, but have not reversed. Let me go to daily. You can see daily, we still have room for price to drop. We still have room for the price to drop, because if you have an experience of Elliott Wave, this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 is what we are waiting for, and wave 5 will likely drop as low as 1548, 1560, even 1520. The wave 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, which is perfect example of wave count. So now let me go over to 4 hours. 4 hours. Now we have 2 possibilities on this. Either this is wave 1, 2, 3. Now this wave 4 might have finished here, and if that is the case, wave 4 have finished here, not then this is wave 5. Now what we're looking for now is the first wave. Okay, let me go over down to 1 hour. So 1 hour we do more justice to this. Now to sell, this is the end of the lower degree of wave 1. Now, what I cannot tell you now is, okay, let me make a little illustration. Now, this is wave 1 of higher degree. Then, this is either wave 2, or the market will make an A, B, then C can make a running flat or expanding flat. So why am I showing you this is surely wave 1. Then this can be wave 2. possibility of being wave 2 is not ruled out. This can be wave 2 here, or maybe this is wave A. This the wave B might even drop further, and it still becomes wave B. Then it can come to this level in the case of running flat, wave C, or it can go higher, expanding flat, wave C. In that case, if that happens, it means that the wave 2 we are looking for is here and not here. Okay, what showing you all this is that you don't just begin to sell or buy because I said we are selling. You know, if you follow my analysis carefully, you hardly lose your money. So when you see that I made that I show that the market will drop, there are things that I will see before I confirm the dropping, not just enter the process. I said it will drop. So this is another free lesson for you. Hope you learn something from it. So now we are looking for sell. That's what I'm trying to tell you on gold. Let's see silver. Silver and gold will always go the same direction. So I will waste time on silver. I will waste time on silver. You can see the structure is very, very similar. So if gold is selling, silver will sell. So this ends with 1, with 2, with 3. Maybe silver can be easier traded than gold because we might get a move like this, running flat, and it will to drop. So silver can be easier than gold because of it's clear that we may not get expanding flat. This drop have gone so far, or this can be wave 2 of higher time frame. Then we get wave 3 and 4 and so on. So let's move to platinum. Platinum would be going up while silver and gold is going down. They go together. So on platinum, we are getting a kind of leading diagonal, expanding one. If that is correct, it means here is wave 1, maybe somewhere you get wave 2, then 3, 4, 5. So remember, last month I told you platinum will likely, let me clear this. Last month, in one of my weekly analysis, I said platinum will likely drop as low as, there's a place I pointed out. Yeah. I said platinum will likely drop as low as 740, 720, 760. Sorry, as low as 740, 720, 680, 640, or even 600. I remember I said this some weeks ago. So now the signs are becoming obvious. The signs are becoming obvious. If this drop continues, and if silver and gold continues to go down, platinum will also go down. US oil. US oil made a kind of, US oil is making somehow difficult to move. Checking our daily chart, ABC have come to the reversal zone, but it didn't go deep in the reversal zone. Okay, so now what do we expect? You know, in analysis, we count what we see. You know, we don't wait for the news to count our waves. Now, last week, I was expecting this type of move. I was expecting a kind of A, B, C. The price will go down. Rather, price make an impulse move. You know, here was my invalidation. I said if price goes above this level, I will no longer look for sell. All right. So price have gone above this level. You can see it. So now I changed my count. My count now is 1, 2, 3. Then ABC 4, 5. Now Here is a validation. If price goes below this level, if price goes below 82.9, then it's likely that it will begin to go lower. But for now, as long as price didn't close below 82.9, we are going higher. We are buying. You know, maybe OPEC decisions, war in Ukraine is somehow affecting the price of oil. You know what the politics about oil. But the problem is that other commodities are going down. It will also be a problem for oil to go up alone. So you might be seeing a spike and drop, a spike and drop. So let's be guided. Last one will be NASDAQ. NASDAQ is the last one we are analyzing. You know, NASDAQ, S&P 500, US 30, Nifty, they are doing the same thing, almost the same thing. So NASDAQ, in NASDAQ, let me go to daily again. I shared all this with you. Okay, the selling is not yet over. The selling is not yet over. So what do we expect on NASDAQ? I remember last month, in one of my analysis, I said that NASDAQ will likely go to 10,000 and below. And it has come to 10,000 zone. I made a little pullback. So now, what are we expecting? Let me say it again. Wave structure can terminate at any any structure. I mean at any degree. You see this degree have finished. This degree is going down. Okay, this degree might cut short, but from what I'm seeing here, NASDAQ is going below, is going down to 9,000 zone. We likely see 9,400, 9,2, even 9,000, even below 9,000. So if you see the price going fast and dropping, don't be surprised. Now, this is another market I will encourage you to trade. If you get a nice ABC, you can sell from here. Here will be stop loss. So here will be stop loss. If we get a nice correction, it will be good to trade. Okay. So it will be a very nice trade. Why am I showing you that is this is wave 1, this is wave 2. Then this is another wave 1 of a lower degree. Something like this. Wave 1, wave 2 again, maybe 3, 4, then and so on. So that's why I said if you get a nice correction, selling from here is recommended. Remember, this is for education purposes. I'm sharing with you my own view. Not a must it will happen. I don't win all the trades, and I don't think anybody wins all the trades, but I will guide you a way that we hardly lose. So I say it always, don't jump in, don't overtrade. The market will always give you an opportunity to trade. If you miss this one, wait for another one. That's the end of my analysis. The next one will be on cryptos. I like to separate cryptos from others because some people don't like to watch all. They also like to watch only cryptos. So remember to subscribe, like, share, ask questions, join my Telegram channel. They are free. You only pay little money to join students if you want to learn. God bless you. Bye.